The following prophecy was previously uploaded on youtube.com/HarvestArmy, August 24th, 2012, and was also posted on the channel page August 11th, 2012, 13 days before the video was published.
Revelation, August 11, 2012. Thus saith the Lord, there is a price to pay when you disregard my word. A price to pay when you disregard my prophets. A high price to pay when you disregard my servants. I will revisit those that disregard. I will revisit those who will receive such a high price. Not like before. Not like before. This time they will know that I am the beginning and the end. That I am the ruler of all. That I am the I am. That I am the one that causes the grounds to open, the earth to quake, the famine, the winds to blow, the waters to pour. Now they will know. I will revisit those that despise. Japan, I will revisit. This time you will know that I am. And my glory I will not give to another, saith the Lord God. Jesus.
A powerful typhoon passing over southwestern Japan has left tens of thousands of homes without power and brought transportation to the region by sea and air to a standstill. More than 60,000 homes were without power. NHK, Japan's public broadcaster, showed scenes of flooded houses and roads in Okinawa's main city.